Hello, in this video I intend to teach you how to register on the AvaTrade Broker. You enter the Forex Broker section, select the AvaTrade Broker, click on Go to Website, and enter the website. You click on the Open, Free Trading Account option and proceed to the registration section. In the first section, you enter your email address. In the second section, your password, and in the third section, you select your country, then click on Create My Account. In the next section, you enter your first name, last name, date of birth, home address, and the city you live in. In the lower section, you enter your postal code, mobile phone number, the platform you work with, and the currency you want to trade with. Then click on the Continue option. In the next section, you answer the questions that are asked. And also in the lower section, and you click on the Continue option. In the final section, you confirm the website's rules and declare not being a US citizen for tax purposes. Then, if you wish to receive news from the AvaTrade website, you can activate this option and then click Finish. After completing the registration steps, you enter a page that congratulates you on your registration, and you click on the Deposit option. Your account has been created. Goodbye.